I was diagnosed with diverticulitis, and I was in and out of the hospital. Recovery was for about 6 to 8 weeks. And my first 2 weeks back in January, I made over $1,000 thanks to Mark Wills, man, the loan signing systems. Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm from Waxahachie, Texas. I wanted to share with you guys my financial situation before the loan signing systems. My house is a 2-income household, and my wife was pregnant at the time when I was thinking about, making a change. I knew something had to, change because we were living a little bit kind of like paycheck to paycheck, and I knew that whenever our baby was going to be born, which was June, she was going to go on leave for work, and it was just going to be left to me to carry the financial portion of our family. And, I'm not going to lie, I did get desperate. I was desperate. I had to make something work. She started sending me videos regarding the loan signings, and I was able to do more research. I was able to find Mark Wills, the loan signing systems. And let me tell you guys, in there's tools that Mark Wills has given us to be profitable in our business. And, prior to having that, our struggle was bad. It was sad because I wanted more for my family. I knew I needed to give them more, and that's always been a passion. It's always been something that I wanted to do for my wife, to make her a stay-home mom, to be with the kids, and one day I'm gonna be able to give that to her. But once I did the loan signing system, I threw myself full in. My son was born in June. I went full in August. In my first month, I made $2,000. Thanks to Mark Wills, man, the loan signing systems. He gives you the tools on what to do. You can definitely do it if you follow everything to a T. You can definitely do it. It's just a matter of putting the work in. He gives you the tools. You just got to put that work in. So I'm so blessed. My business has been growing. One thing that did happen to me though, and everyone has their own journeys. I did have a setback. My health got in the way. I was diagnosed with diverticulitis, and I was in and out of the hospital through September and October. And then I got surgery in December. Recovery was for about 6 to 8 weeks. And at that time, I was kind of still like a little depressed because now my health got in the way, and it kind of brought my business down a little bit. But I found the strength in God to push forward. He healed me, and my first 2 weeks back in January, I made over $1,000. I didn't do anything special. The tools are there for us, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, about 2 weeks ago, I quit my full-time job. I've never been the type to do that. I've always been the one that I have to have that security check, because I was, like, finance is something that I was always scared of. I didn't want to put my family in a situation where I couldn't provide for them. If someone is in the fence of buying the loan signing systems course, do it and really stick to the plan. Like any business that you're starting up, you got to be persistent, got to be consistent. So I encourage, if you are in the fence of becoming a loan signing agent, you can do this.